Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and you have an active Google account. Once done, download Google Wallet or Google Pay from the App Store and sign in. Next, add a payment card by photographing it or entering details manually. Make sure billing address matches your bank. You'll also set a verification method like SMS or bank app approval. These first steps create the secure foundation you need before configuring default payment behaviors and NFC. Now you'll add and configure cards. Open Google Wallet, tap Add Card, choose credit or debit, and follow the bank's verification prompts. This might include a code or in-app approval. Once a card verifies, designate a default card for quick tap payments if you prefer. Make sure NFC is enabled in settings and allow background app refresh so transactions complete smoothly when the screen is off. Finally, check wallet permissions. They help the app present payment options at checkout, avoiding delays. To pay, you unlock your iPhone and hold the top near the contactless reader. Wait for the confirmation tone or check mark. You can also choose cards in Google Wallet before tapping if you need a non-default card. After purchase, review transaction history in the app to confirm charges and access receipts. If a payment fails, restart the phone, confirm NFC and wallet permissions, and if needed, remove and re-add the card. One key tip: contact your bank to resolve verification blockages quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.